Okay, welcome to another shop talk. This week I'm just going to show you this tree that I cut down last week. It's now been milled. I'm going to show you me trying to split the trunk, which is quite interesting. If you stick around to the end, it was so big it needed to be split before it went to the sawmill, or would even fit on a trailer, or for that matter even be lifted with a telehandler. Also, Frank from FCTools came over to visit, and I presented a first prize for the competition he runs. So stick around, you can see all that on this week. All right, so we've got Frank here from FCTools, and Mark Crosby won the first prize in the competition, celebrating 3 years of FCTools, is that right?
Yes, 3 years.
And Mark got to pick anything off the site. I don't think he's stupid, because he's probably picked the best thing.
Yes, he did.
Which is the DAJ plate. I've done a video on this. I'll be doing more videos on this because some other exciting stuff coming up. We've got stuff with the story stick, which I've started to show you. So there you go, Mark, well done.
Thank you very much, Andy.
I think you picked the best thing there. No handshaking. We're still socially distanced, as you can see, 1.5 metres. So I think you're going to love it, mate.
Well done. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice one, Frank.
You're welcome. Well done, mate. Thank you.
That noise is that I've just had to chase them. That gate, I've chased them into that field, get them out of the way, and that was keep them safe. This is the next tree. Really nice big trunk here. The bottom bit's awesome. Not quite sure how we're going to get that out. I'm going to start, as always, just removing some of this weight off the end, and then get these 3 main limbs off, ready for collecting in the trailer, possibly Saturday. And then while we collect those, we'll see if that's liftable on the telehandler. Could be a couple of ton, and then it will go in my trailer nicely. Anyway, we get started. Okay, so coming up shortly, I'm going to do a series of videos or a video showing you where I get my wood. I often get asked, and a lot of my wood, as you can see here, is field or garden. In this case, it's a field. Mostly dead standing, meaning the tree is dead already, or it's fallen over in this case. Very rarely do I cut any trees down that are living, although I have got 4 oak trees to come down this year. Hopefully I'll get a video of those as well. But I thought I'd show you this in the meantime. splitting, and actually up here I can hear it, the size of that. I've got that one cut there to do, which is a bit of a nightmare, but it's definitely trying to split. So I'll give it a little careful go, and then I'll wait for Donald and we'll pull it again with the JCB. I think it'll probably pull apart now. That's it. Go in. Got it. Pretty rotten, unfortunately. There'll still be some decent oak there, but no killer slabs I was after. Can't win them all. That's good. Yep. Just fits. Some of my trees over there. All this lot. Nice stuff. Sizes. Pretty decent English oak grain. Some interesting coffee table size ones there. So this is some of the first lot. This is the limbs actually of one of the big trees. Really nice boards. That will change colour, that's just been cut oak, so I'm gonna put some thinner boards here. I really like these. I like these ones like this. That's interesting table. You can see that's table straight away. These ones are quite good as well with a round end. Don't get many with a round bit, but it's quite nice, that natural round end.